lead. Don't make him run down the road. Go to Susan's driveway and then come back. I just don't, cars fly around that corner. Turn him around and bring him back. Oh, here he comes.
Keep coming. Swap around the trucks. Swap to the trucks.
Go up around Mommy's truck.
Oh, shorten this way. There you go. Down around the truck. No, not between the trucks.
Sure, between the trucks, he fits.
Go, Lee, go! Go! Push your hands forward. Push your hands. Go, go, go! Push your hands forward. Don't make him go.
Go ahead. Back down to Susan's driveway.
Push your hands forward. Push your hands forward. Up over. See how this is crossing? There you go. Make him go. Pull. There you go. There you go. Pull the other rein. Make him go. Take him down there, her driveway.
Well, you're going fast.
Now just walk. Just walk. Make him walk.
Walk him back. Just walk.
Go walk, Lee.
Tell him to slow down.
Take him back. There you go. Take him back. And this time do it as a walk. Very good. There you go.
Kick.
There you go. Take him down there in the grass. Down in the grass.
Oh, and Susan's grass is okay too. Take him down to the tree.
Get out of the tree. Come up here. Just walk. Just walk.
It's more fun to trot.
All the way down to the bottom tree. Keep going.
I can hardly see him. Car coming.
Come on, guys. Sophie,
Just walk, Lee. There's a car coming. Bring him back.
gotta walk.
Walk him back.
Here, Sophie. Jasper. Okay, come back, Lee.
Come on back, honey. Come on. I see you just rode on up the hill. Tell him to walk. There you go. Yeah.
Go show her how you ride.